Unlocking the meaning behind coffees for closers. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and culture. Today, we're exploring a popular American phrase, coffees for closers. This phrase is not just about coffee or sales. It's packed with cultural and motivational nuances. So, grab your notebook, and let's get started on this intriguing journey together. The phrase, coffees for closers, originates from the 1992 film Glengarry Glen Ross. In a memorable scene, a character played by Alec Baldwin uses this line to motivate a group of real estate salesmen. The message is clear: only those who make sales, closers, are rewarded, in this case, with coffee. This scene has become iconic, symbolizing high-pressure sales environments and the idea that rewards are reserved for achievers. At its core, coffees for closers transcends the literal meaning. It metaphorically suggests that rewards are earned through success and hard work. In professional settings, it's used to motivate team members to achieve their goals. However, it's also applicable in broader contexts, emphasizing the principle that success comes before reward. This phrase has significantly impacted American culture and beyond. It's referenced in movies, TV shows, and by motivational speakers. Its popularity underscores a deeply rooted belief in meritocracy and competition. Understanding this phrase offers insight into the value placed on achievement and the rewards that follow. Using coffees for closers in conversation can be powerful but should be done with sensitivity. It's perfect for motivational contexts, like encouraging a friend towards their goals. However, it's important to consider the setting and the listener's perspective to avoid misinterpretation. Coffees for closers is more than just a line from a movie. It's a cultural artifact that encapsulates a particular view of success and reward. We hope this exploration has given you not only a deeper understanding of the phrase but also a glimpse into the cultural values it represents. Keep striving for your goals, and remember, the coffee awaits you at the finish line. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.